All right, guys, so let's talk about something that's very important to all your rehab projects is your material list that you purchase for your property. Now, when it comes to materials, you guys can go into many ways of getting your material. Get it from Amazon, get it from Lowe's, Home Depot, just get them from random places around town and just piece it together and have that stuff delivered to your house. Or you go pick up those items yourself and have them delivered to your property. Now, I take the latter. I like to have my stuff delivered on the truck, pay a couple extra dollars, another $100 more for them to deliver it. There's nothing worse than you going out there with a trailer and trying to go out there and get product delivered to your property. That can be the headache. So don't do that. So in this video here, I want to show you guys exactly the routine I use to get my materials here checked off and delivered. Coming up. Hi everyone, it's Tonyo here from Papa Homes, where we talk about turning these properties into wealth by using the power of real estate. Yeah, I'm at my new flip here, which is called double wide here. This is a nice piece of property here, which is a double wide. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath house, almost 2,200 square feet, maybe 2,300 square feet. And we paid not so much for the house, around by $69,000. And we're gonna try to sell this thing for anywhere from a 200,000 maybe to a 210, updating this property. But I want to talk about the materials. As you can see in the background here, I got materials here that will deliver here today. And these materials are tubs, these are faucets, this is paint, this is some of my roofing material with the guys working on the roof as we speak. These are things that have came in. I also got things inside the property that came in, from doorknobs to other nails, to fixtures, to faucets, shower heads. All these things came in. But here's the thing, guys, before we get to this point, you got to be able to put together a material list. So when you walk your property, when you walk your property, you're putting together a list of items from things. How many bathrooms you got, how many tubs you need. Like that big tub there, I need one tub, and I got I got one tub I had to buy, but I got 2 tubs already here. They are great, so I'm gonna keep. But I got showers, so I need head shower fixtures. I got 4 sinks, so I had to go get 4 separate sink faucets. So as you're walking through your property, get a list of things of each room, or just break down things by plumbing and electrical, whatever makes sense to you. But break those things down and then put together you a material list, okay? And with that material list, once that material list is done, now you have to go order these things. Now, here's the trick. Here's the point of interest where I want to give you guys a little bit of heads up. Amazon have some cheap things, guys, some cheaper things. You might get some things cheaper from Amazon. You might be able to save a couple of dollars here and there. But I'm gonna tell you what I know for a fact. I get a few things from Amazon, but I don't get everything. I probably get maybe 5% of my items from Amazon. The rest of it is coming from the big box stores. Why is that when it comes to Lowe's or Home Depot? The reason for that is, number one, I got everything in-house. Number two, I can every time I order something, I gain more points to go towards more money off other items, whatever the case may be. Number three, they deliver. You know what I mean? And number four, not only do they deliver, if something go wrong, it's easy transaction to send it back, whatever. Now, when you start getting items from all types of places, it started getting confusion. And if you want to do flipping houses on the scale, I flip houses around 30 houses a year. You're gonna have to dumb this scale down and have one main central place where you revolve all your materials from. All my materials basically come from the same place, besides a few things I might get at the end. Maybe some LED mirrors, something like that. Maybe some more doorknobs, more hinges, some more pulls for my cabinets in the kitchens and bathroom. It just depends, because they're just a little cheaper on those sites. But here today, materials, I like to get them from the big box store. So as those materials come in after you got them ordered, you should have a list like this here. You should have a list like this. Now, Now I got a little bit more better system. So I got into my software system. So when I order these things at my Home Depot and the lady's going down the list, I'm going into my system, checking off everything that I order. Bingo. So I can know, okay, well, I still got 2 or 3 items I need to order at the end, but I know I order all these items through Home Depot or Lowe's. So, but when they come on the truck, you want to have your sheet here and start to sign off on everything. And you want to keep this sheet here because if something missing, like on my last project, I did not get my thermostat. And I had to go back. I wanted to wait just in case it was a couple of weeks late or something. I waited to the end of the project, went back to them and said, hey, I didn't get my thermostat. It's right here on the sheet and it showed that it was never shipped. So they gave me my thermostat. But I kept good records of my materials. So as those materials come in, have to sign off on them, buddy. Don't just go randomly. Just think all your material gonna come in at the end. You missing things. I'm telling you, that's not the way we do business. You gotta treat this like a business, guys. This is a business. Okay, I want you guys to understand. This is a business, so treat it like a business. So when it comes to your material, be well in detail over it. So I got pictures and videos of all my materials here. That's also in the house as well. So I'm gonna check those things off to today, and what I got missing, I go back in my app and I see what's coming tomorrow, what's coming next week, so I can keep up with things. So as things continue to come in, if everything's on schedule, then I'm all good to go. But things start to get a little shaky, something haven't came in, I would be able to look at my sheet or go on my Home Depot app and see what's going on, then be able to make a call to them, say, hey, I'm having a problem. Can you guys resolve the problem? But the most key thing to flipping housing, guys, is having this sheet. If you go to the big box store, whether it's Lowe's or Home Depot, they're going to give you this sheet here, check off everything so you can keep up with all the materials with your project. So the guys can continue to move, the contractors can move, the plumbers can move, the electricians can move. Anybody who needs those materials, you know when they're going to be there for these guys to use. So, there you go. We got it. Woo! So, materials, guys, take advantage of these tips. They have helped me out on all my projects. I just put one property on the market today. Just started on this one. Don't close on another one here another 2 or 3 days. So for me to be efficient in this world of real estate, I have to be on my game. The only way I can be on my game is understanding my materials and making sure I stay ahead of everything. So you guys make sure you like the videos, guys. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Let's share this with the world. Like, most important, subscribe. And finally, but not least, let's do deals. Okay, guys, you can come over here to the website, click on Invest with Papa at the top of the page. This is where you will find my complete portfolio on all things real estate, from flipping houses, buying a home, sub-2, lease option, multifamily, whatever the case may be. Find it here. Come to the bottom of the page. You have a few options. If you want to view those properties that's been sold, click on View List of Flip Sold. Then you'll be able to get a full view of the property sold. And also, if you want to contact me, you can call or text this number here, and let's work together. Let's do deals.